Resetting network settings on your iPhone 16 can help resolve connectivity issues by clearing out all saved network information and restoring these settings to their factory defaults. Here's how it's done. First, navigate to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the display. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. To continue, tap on Reset. A list of reset options will load up next. From the list of options, tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your device passcode when prompted. A pop-up will appear warning you that this action will delete all network settings. To proceed with the reset, tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm. Your iPhone will now proceed to reset all network settings to their factory defaults. Note that this process on your iPhone 16 will erase all saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, VPN and APN settings, and Bluetooth pairings. So after the reset, you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and repair Bluetooth devices. This reset can be particularly useful if you're experiencing persistent network-related issues that other troubleshooting methods haven't resolved. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.